Is your C drive turning red? Before you go downloading some sketchy PC cleaner from the internet, Windows actually has two powerful hidden features that can reclaim gigabytes of space in just a few minutes, completely safely. Today I'll show you how to master the Storage Sense feature and the mysterious WinSxS folder without a single third-party app. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about Storage Sense. Think of this as your PC's personal housekeeper. To find it, hit your Start button and search for Storage Settings. If you scroll down over here to the Storage Management section, you will find the Storage Sense feature. To enable it, you simply click on the Toggle On button. This will only use the default settings, so if you'd like to customize this further, click on the right arrow button. Let's take a look at the main options we have here. The first one is to tell it when to run Storage Sense. Now by default, this is when you have low disk space. But you also have these frequency options. The next one is to do with your recycling bin. So if you'd like it to automatically clear that for you, you can specify the number of days when you'd like it to be cleared. Now be careful with this last option over here. This is the Downloads folder setting. By default, it's set to never, but if you change it to 30 days or so, Windows will wipe your downloads. So only turn this on if you're disciplined about moving important files out of that folder. Scrolling all the way down, we have the Cloud Content option. So if you have your OneDrive backups enabled, the files that you store online can also be a part of this setting. So over here, you can tell it to basically shift everything to online only if you haven't opened it in a specific number of days over here. Once you're happy with your new settings, you can click on Run Storage Sense now. And now for the big gains, we have the WinSxS secret. Now this is slightly more advanced, but it can clear up a ton of space for you. If you check your Windows folder under your main drive, you will find that folder we're talking about. All the way down, you will see WinSxS. Now this stands for Windows Side by Side. What it does is it keeps old versions of system files so you can uninstall updates if they break something. It's great for safety, but terrible for your storage. Now we are not going to delete this manually. That would break your computer. Instead, we're going to use a safe built-in command. So press your Windows key, and this time we're going to search for cmd. And now you'll want to click on Run as Administrator. So this brings up your computer's terminal. So the first command we will use will just be to analyze the component disk space. Now I'll post this full command in the description below, so follow the same. So after a few seconds, this has finished running and it's given me some details around how much space it's occupying. So it's telling me that the Windows Explorer reported size is 11 gigs and the actual size is 10.6 gigs. And now you also have the backups and disabled features, around 3.35 gigs. If you look further down, it'll tell you when the last cleanup was done and then the recommendation. So for me, it's saying Component Store Cleanup recommended is yes. Now to trigger the cleanup, all we have to do is run a similar command. So instead of AnalyzeComponentStore, we're replacing that with StartComponentCleanup. Once again, I'll make this command available in the description below. So we'll enter the command and hit enter. What this does is it tells Windows, hey, I'm happy with my current updates, so you can get rid of the old junk. And this can sometimes reclaim up to 50 gigabytes on its own. After about a minute or so, this should clear up at least a few gigs depending on when the last time you ran it. And I recommend running this at least once every few months. And that's it. No third-party bloatware, no cost, and your PC is breathing easier. We automated the small stuff with Storage Sense and cleared the update graveyard with the WinSxS cleanup. If this helped you find some extra room, give this video a like and subscribe, and let me know if there's any other topic you'd like to cover. Thanks for watching.